Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to fix the Adobe XD software installation error, that is error code 195. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you how the error occurs. Here you can see the error occurred. It's showing that the installation is failed, upgrade needed. So now let's start the procedure. Open the products folder and then here open SPRK folder, and here you can see the application file. Open this application file with Notepad. After opening the Notepad, go to the menu bar, click on the edit button and select the find option. Here we have to find the word min in this file. Then click on the find next and replace the value present in the double quotes with 10.0. Here don't change the other information. Then click on the find next. Do the same to this also. Do the same to this also. After that, don't forget to save the changes made to the application file. Now come back and click on the setup file. And then hit the continue button. Now you can see that the installation is in progress. So the installation process is completed successfully. As you can see, the software is working without any interruptions. If you find this video helpful to you, then like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.